Hello, my name is Van Piercy, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've taught versions of this course for the last 30 years. I have degrees from UC Berkeley and Indiana University, and I hope to get to know you all better as the course proceeds. Here are several important things for you to know and do before the course gets started. 1. Read and print the course calendar. Refer to the D2L calendar for assignment and quiz due dates. These due dates are mandatory and come out of our tentative course schedule. So plan accordingly. You're allowed to complete quizzes and assignments early, but late submissions are not allowed. Read and print the syllabus, which is located in the course overview area and in the introduction module. There's a quiz over the syllabus linked in that module too, and on the course navbar under the course activities drop-down menu. Please refer to the syllabus for general questions about the class before emailing me. Our textbook is OER, meaning it's free, open educational resource. You will need it, so download it. You can buy inexpensive print versions of volumes 1 and 2 at Parlor Press. If you bought the textbook How to Write Anything, you can return it or keep it for reference. I can refer you to helpful sections of it. Read and respond to the personal introductions discussion. Take the syllabus quiz. Send me an email in the course and let me know how you're doing. During weekdays, I return email within 24 hours or less. Remember that the D2L navbar near the top of our course page contains the main navigation links for our course. Content, especially for the module overview, course activities for the quiz and assignments, and collaborations for discussions. Thanks.